Now coming to the cube formula. Here is the cube formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We can write it also a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Again we can write it a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Next, a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now coming to a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Now next one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Here if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc.